Hello students, today we will draw another construction. First of all, draw a line segment of a length 8 centimeter. Taking A as a center, draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. And taking B as a center, you have to draw another circle of radius 3 centimeter. Now, construct a tangent to the each circle from the center of other two circles. Means first of all we have to draw a line segment of 8 centimeter. From one end point A you have to draw a circle with radius 4 centimeter, and from B you have to draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter, and from center we have to draw a tangent to the other circles. Here the first step is, first of all we have to draw a length of 8 centimeter, line segment with 8 centimeter length, and we have to give A and B as a name of a line segment. And in step 2 we have to draw a circle at center A as radius 4 centimeter. First of all we have to take a arc with length 4 centimeter, and we have to draw a circle by taking center A and radius 4 centimeter. In same way we have to draw a circle at B with radius 3 centimeter. Circle with radius 3 centimeter. And in next step we have to draw a perpendicular bisector of AB. Means we have to take a radius more than half, and we have to mark two arcs. Here I am taking radius more than half or half, and making this from point A and from point B, and by joining these two arcs we get a bisector. This is a bisector by joining the both arc intersection. Now name as this point as L. Now by taking center of as L A, taking center as L, and by taking radius LA or LB, we have to draw a circle. This is LB, and we have to draw a circle. Then we have to draw a tangent. Next step 5 is to mark a point M dash, M dash, N dash. Now we have to draw a tangent in step 5. Step 5 is join the tangent BN, AM and AN dash from point A, from point B, from B, M and BN. These are the two tangents. In same way, from point A we have to draw a tangent AN and AM. This is AM and this is AN. So you have to draw this construction in your notebook. Thank you, students.